For nearly 3 decades, Nikwax has been the leader in waterproofing by developing environmentally friendly water-based products to restore water repellency using highly sophisticated manufacturing technology and exporting to 42 countries across the globe. In 1977, Nick Brown was living in a North London squat house and pondering his next move. He was an unlikely candidate for becoming an industrialist, being a sworn enemy of the establishment and possessing a university degree in anthropology and linguistics. Nick was enthusiastic about being outside in wet weather, and with a naturally curious and inventive spirit, he invented his own waterproofing wax for boots. Add to this mix the need of a local mountain shop, and the first commercial order for Nick's wax was placed. The reluctant entrepreneur mixed his first order in a back room of the squat with a discarded tea urn, a Primus stove, a jug, and materials bought from a local hardware store. Nick made his first delivery with a borrowed shopping cart, pushing 100 kilos of wax 3 kilometers through central London, avoiding rushing cars and policemen. Word spread of Nick's product. Unlike the other products out there, it worked. Nick's waterproofing wax, now called Nikwax, was then introduced to the Davids brothers, founders of Fauday, and Nikwax became the waterproofing of choice for most of Europe's walkers, trekkers, and mountaineers. The rest is history. Nikwax continues to develop its product line and distribution with strong corporate values of environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and scientific expertise. From the beginning, Nikwax has aimed to achieve more than just profit. By developing the first water-based waterproofing product, Nick Brown's stalwart environmental ethic was and remains one of the company's guiding mandates. Nikwax's environmentally safe, water-based products prevent many tons of harmful fluorocarbons, aerosol propellants, solvents, and phosphate detergents from entering the environment. Nikwax is not afraid to buck convention. While most Western manufacturers are racing to the lowest possible price with offshore Asian production, Nikwax has chosen to build its local economy by basing its global manufacturing headquarters in East Sussex, England, employing nearly 100 local residents. Nikwax's sister company, Paramo, continues this commitment by developing self-sustaining local Colombian industry. Nikwax feels that social responsibility is just as important to the bottom line as low unit costs. Nick Brown's relentless drive to innovate has become an ongoing company mantra. Nikwax employs more PhDs and lab technicians in its research and development center than all the other waterproofing aftercare companies combined. The patented Nikwax formula is constantly undergoing rigorous testing to improve its effectiveness. Samples of each production batch are stored for 4 years to ensure quality control. Nikwax is the only waterproofing aftercare company to offer this type of quality control. The Nikwax Research and Development Center has produced testing innovations such as the Boot Flexor testing machine and many other garment and materials testing devices in the process of bringing its advanced aftercare solutions to market. Nikwax's unyielding push to produce the best waterproofing has won it acclaim worldwide. Nikwax is the only waterproofing company to have won the prestigious Queen's Award for Commerce and has done it 3 times. Nikwax brings its patented waterproofing solutions to a wide variety of markets, including outdoor sports, equestrian, motorcycling, golf, fishing, and field sports. Behind each Nikwax product is the same passion, conscience, and moxie that Nick Brown started with nearly 30 years ago, making Nikwax the easier, safer way to stay dry outdoors. Getting wet? Nikwax it!